Hello and welcome to another delicious video of Bon Appetit. In today's video we're gonna cook this beautiful extended pasta al pollo, but first, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The ingredients we're gonna need are half a kilo of pasta fusilli, half a kilo of chicken breast, 300 grams of bacon, 300 grams of onion, 20 grams of garlic, 300 grams of mushrooms, 200 grams of sweetcorn, 100 grams of butter, 1 liter of cooking cream, salt, black pepper, white pepper, chicken spice, and parsley. First thing we're gonna do is boil the pasta. Set the cooker to its maximum temperature, and add 1.5 liter of water in a cooking pot. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt, and a splash of olive oil. You can put a lid on top, so the water heats up quickly. Now that the water is already boiling, you can add the pasta. You need to keep stirring every now and again, to prevent the pasta from sticking. Normally the pasta package states how long should it be boiled, but if you can't find that statement, just boil until the pasta is soft. When the pasta is ready, you need to drain the water with a drainer. Now leave this on the side and continue cooking the rest of the ingredients. Next we're gonna cook the onions with the garlic. Set the cooker to maximum temperature and add cooking oil in a frying pan. When the oil is hot enough, add the onions. Keep stirring every now and again to prevent the onions from burning. When the onions are almost ready, add the garlic. Keep mixing for the next 1 minute until it's ready. Leave this on the side and continue cooking the rest of the ingredients. Next we're gonna cook the mushrooms. Once again, set the temperature to maximum, take a block of butter and slide it across the frying pan until it's all melted. Add the mushrooms immediately, before the butter starts burning. Make sure that the butter goes on every piece of mushroom, and please don't make the mistake of thinking that's a lot of mushrooms, because they're gonna shrink in the end. Keep mixing them every now and again until they're completely cooked. Now that the mushrooms are ready, you can take them off the cooker. Leave this on the side, and let's get to the last part. Last thing we're gonna do, is cook the chicken with the bacon. Set the temperature to maximum, and add some cooking oil. When the oil is hot enough, add the chicken, and do your best to separate every piece from each other. Keep mixing it every now and again until it's halfway ready. At some point, the chicken will release a lot of water, so you need to wait until it evaporates. Now that the water's gone, you can add the bacon. Now add 2 teaspoons of chicken spice. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. Keep mixing everything for another few minutes until it's completely cooked. Now that the chicken and bacon are ready, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients, the mushrooms, the onions with the garlic, and the sweetcorn. Mix everything very good, and set the temperature down to medium. Now, add the cooking cream. Then add half a teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring every now and again for the next 7 to 10 minutes. When the cream becomes thick, this means that it's ready. Now you can add the pasta. You need to mix everything very good. For those of you who like the green stuff, you can add some fresh parsley for a better taste. And this is how we cook an extended pasta al pollo. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Here's a few more of them for you to try out. I'll see you in the next one.